pretending everything's okay, and you don't care about me. And I know it's just no use when all your lies become your truths, and I don't care. Could you look me in the eye and tell me that you're happy now? Would you tell it to my face, or have I been erased? Are you happy now? Are you happy now? Took all there was to take and left me with an empty plate, and you don't care about it. And I am giving up this gift and leaving you with all the blame, 'cause I don't care. Could you